Well, let's go to evidence number 3 then. If they think the water problem was good or the oxygen problem was good, this is the best of them all, amino acids. There are over 2,000 types of amino acids out there, but only 20 are used in life. That means life is very selective. You get one of these wrong amino acids in you could be in big trouble. That is, amino acids come in 2 shapes, just like we have a left hand and a right hand. Well, left and right hand are about the same. Same components, 4 fingers and a thumb. But they're not quite the same. Notice what happens when I put one hand behind the other. Notice my thumb and fingers on the opposite side. So even though they have the same components, they're not quite the same. They are what we would call mirror images of each other. Your left and right hand are really mirror images of each other. Now, these amino acids come in the same shape. We call them left-handed amino acids and right-handed amino acids. What's the difference? Well, just like our hands, left and right-handed amino acids are made up of the same components, the same atoms. And also like our left and right hands, these amino acids are mirror images of each other. Now, why is this so important? Well, this becomes important because every single amino acid in your body, and you have trillions of these, is left-handed. You do not have a single right-handed amino acid in your body. Every amino acid and every protein in all life is left-handed. There are no right-handed amino acids used in proteins anywhere in life. Now, why is that so important? Well, that becomes important, again, because our textbooks failed to teach the science. What Miller really ended up with was an even mixture of 50% left-handed and 50% right-handed amino acids, and that is not life. That is a poison to life. They just left that out of the textbooks. But you know, it gets better. Every experiment we've ever done always ends up naturally with a mixture of left and right-handed amino acids. The natural tendency is always to go to left and right-handed mixtures. Even when we start with all left-handed amino acids, we can do that, plug them out, put them all over here. When we start with all left-handed amino acids, they naturally start reverting back to a mixture. In other words, the tendency is always away from life, never towards life. So how could it get started? The natural tendencies always go away from life. But it gets better than that. When a living organism dies. Now, we're made up of 100% left-handed amino acids. When a living organism dies, when we die, we become as dead as we can be, and that's going to be pretty dead. You know what happens to our 100% left-handed amino acids? They start reverting back to a mixture of left and right-handedness. What did Miller really simulate? Death, a poison to life. The whole experiment is a known and recognized failure. Produced nothing we needed for life. Now the question is, why do they continue to put known wrong information in textbooks?